Well, Lily, hello everyone. Yep, Lily has decided that she would like to come on out. So Jack went home. But Jack's been out a good couple of hours, and as you can see, Jack doesn't want to be home at all. Lily can have her couple of hours out, which Lily is never satisfied with, being Lily. Yes, and then I'm looking at Lily and what she's up to, and I turn around and I notice Jessie was also at his door. Hello, Jess. What are you doing, dude? Hey, you saying that you might like to come out? He's saying, well, so long as you don't touch me, Mum, I might think about it, but should you decide to actually touch me, I might completely change my mind. But, there you go. Touch him. He's like, don't try and bring me out. I don't like it when you do it, Mum, at all. Sometimes he's not too bad, and other times he's so adamant that, no, you're not going to help me do it. I'm quite capable of doing that all by myself. So, yeah, I'll leave the door open and see if he slowly but surely makes his way out. And that is the way I generally will do it with Jessie. He's getting more and more inclined to want to actually come on out, to be honest. So I am opening up his door and offering that to him, because, Jessie is not that way. Oh, Jack, I am so sorry, buddy, but right now I cannot have you and Jessie out together at all. Well, no, I'm not trying to keep my eye on this boy and that boy and that girl over there. There's only one girl in this house, and it's Lily, who is of breeding age. Oh, and probably I would say Sia as well would be that, though she's, for me, not a size or even close to a size that I would breed her. Yet she's got a good couple of years to grow before I would even contemplate breeding her. I think Lily's just going to chill there for now. She will find a place to head to very shortly and settle in. So as you can see, very, very busy days here with our snakes. Here in Australia, especially our carpet pythons. Well, all our snakes, Jessie, at the moment on the news or on Facebook feeds, all you are seeing is continual snakes everywhere. People, one lady could hear this commotion going on up in her roof of her house, and next minute the vent in her roof fell out, and these two male carpet pythons fell down in the middle of her lounge room and were combating each other right there. So there was obviously either a female up in that roof or very close that they were combating for, and it's everywhere. People are seeing them come in their yards, and yeah, just that time of the year. I, of course, I haven't been getting them in my yard, which is, you know, if they do, they do. But I've got them in my lounge room, thank you very much. Not combating each other. I wouldn't, you know, allow that to occur, don't need to. Hence why Jesse can, you know, stay in there and Jack can stay where he is at this particular time of the year. Otherwise, any other time of the year, I have no problem in Jesse being out with Jack and Lily at the same time. So, very hot time of the year, not in terms of the weather, but certainly in terms of our snakes all out looking for their mate for the breeding season. Hey Jess. No, Jess, probably, but is certainly not as erratic in his behaviour as what my Jack is, of course. So that gives me an idea that Jesse isn't ready to breed. He's not anxious about anything at the moment. So, but next season, that could completely change, and I'm going to have 2 males in the house wanting to find a female. So that will be very exciting. Well, I don't know if I would use the word exciting. It's going to be busy time of the year, that I know, and being very hands-on. Hey Jack, you might have some competition there next year with Jessie around, buddy. So what's Mum gonna do then? Hey? You'll be saying, well, if anybody gets first dips on the female in the house, Mum, it's going to be me. And it probably would, actually. Although pairing Jessie and Lily would be, you know, wonderful as well. But certainly Jack has earned that medal, I think, with Lily. And all that glare there. But anyway, guys, it's just a little video of, yeah, my day. And this is how it is, though very unusual, as you know, for my Jesse to decide that he would like to come on out. But he's welcome to come out. I don't have a problem with that at all. You know, come on out, Jess. Join the crew, though Jack has gone home, and you can have a little explore, except you can't go down that way, dude. So we're blurred, but you're not going down that way. How about Mum pick you up and I'll bring you back up this way? What do you think? That be better? I don't want you on the floor. I don't want you going under anything, and you will. Won't you? Hey? He makes his way over to the shelf here, or he'll make his way up on to this particular shelf and get himself further out. And that's generally when I can quite easily pick Jesse up and move him over to the climbing space. So, but I like him to get majority of himself out first before I do that. He is much more comfortable with it being done that way, rather than me trying to get him out of his enclosure. It's too much of a fight, and it puts too much stress on Jess, me doing that with him. So guys, that's it. As I said before, short little video has now run into like a 9-minute video. Little Miss Amaya down there in a cooler spot, I guess, than up top. And Lily, and hopefully Jack may settle down. Oh, I do hope he does. Otherwise, well, he will be back out again, guys, don't worry. He will get his turn back out at some stage. So you take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes. And Ruby, who is totally oblivious to all of this, who cannot have babies anymore. She's had one litter, and I've got 2 of her babies in my life. But yep, no more. Okay. Ciao.